Hey everyone! Are you shopping on Temo and wondering how to pay with cash when your order arrives? Good news! Temo makes cash on delivery super simple if it's available in your region. In this quick video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the Temo app or website and start shopping for your favorite items. Add everything you want to your cart, from fashion to gadgets. Temo has it all. Once done, tap checkout and confirm your shipping details. At the payment section, look for the option cash on delivery or pay with cash. If it appears in your payment methods, just select it and confirm your order. When your package arrives, pay the delivery person in cash. And you're done. That's how easy it is to use cash on delivery on Temo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.